from Nick Reinrod. On to row 6 is number 4, Richard Stevens, and Arnold three. They ran the average 20 runs on row 10. 4, 6, 5, Thurgood, and T3, Greg Wood.
Race is under challenge as well, with Gavin Seeger making the most of that first half of the match. So Gavin Seeger goes through. Mostly Gavin Seeger. Not just the rain now.
You want to be a safety car in front of that lot?
The circuit start for beer last night.
Well, I think he probably would have been, because you were right to say that he was unscathed. On the back, Jenkins goes wide on the outside of Paddock Bend. He's in the gravel, he keeps pushing, he keeps going, but one unfortunately has hit the tyres, and that's Terry.
Having a nice day, Luke.
Yeah, it's good. The trucks are going fast, but it's quite wet.
Blue Peter, one man, Andy from Blue Peter, has been racing.
Smith goes side by side in front of Ben Smith. Is going to prevail. He's got the inside on the Sky Blue car, so Hamilton no option.
Oh yes.
Stuff on the outside. That's Roger Cousins in the number 40 car. He didn't hit the thing, nothing connected him, so he's going to get on his way once again. The race leader is and the second place car, John Johnny Higgins, that's the magnificent champion. Meanwhile, John Johnny Higgins doing his level best to bring down the 1.6 deficit that he has.
Park, Malting, various other cars, and so
Naomi, you're in the way.
Attached to the 44 machine on pole position. Very, very impressive. We've got a gap or two on the grid, but that might say Nails were able to find a home, and we had the mark. Side by side with Darren Bly on the outside. The power of Darren Bly's machine on the outside is not able to.
Anna, it's your car.
Made it now. It's fan.
That's really bad.
And it's a good start from Southfield and Oliver. They're actually equal. And it's Southfield who's going to swoop round outside of Stuart Oliver as they go to Panicle Bend. Or is it Oliver's on the inside holding his nerves? Summerfield to the outside holding his nerves. They go through the corner absolutely side by side. But on the climb up through into Summerfield to cover that line. Oliver's going to be debated. He doesn't cover the line in time. Oliver looks inside about Southfield. Who's there? He is pushed wide by Stuart Oliver. As they go.
Surprised.
Oh, this guy's dead. Yeah, mommy, Roy. Oh, and he's spinning. He's spinning. Oh no. What is he doing? He's going backwards.
But they're trying to push the cars up.
To get into a safe position, they need to reverse it. No, that's it. That is the way to do it. Oh yeah. Oh, that was hilarious. He drifted along there. Car happy.
But if you're not. Oh yeah, that's working well.
Is Mum under a car? We're actually on one.
That's a bit scary. It's made it. It's not that far.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to work very well.
It's just showing off now.
Yeah, see this thing.
Because he can.
Yeah, I think he is.
He's just chilling off a bit.
Yeah.